are you guys doing tonight? Hey, we are going to do another makeover, and I want to know, are you team cake or are you team tacos? We're going to make an adorable little tier tray sign. We're going to start a project to Happy Birthday America is what I'm calling it. But we're going to build a couple of different signs the next couple of days, and then we're going to decorate a tier tray. So stay with me this week. It's going to be really cute and give you some really cute ideas. So I took this, this was from Dollar General actually, and it was a like Christmas sign. I mean, by the time I got it, it was like 10 cents, like it was 90% off. So of course, what I do best is I took down the print that was on it, and then I painted it. And today we're going to use Eat More Cake. Also comes with this cute like Eat More Tacos for Taco Tuesday lovers. But since this is a Happy Birthday America, we're going to use the cake, and then we're going to use this adorable little polka dots. So let's get started. And guys, if you have questions, leave them in the comments. I will get back to you. If you are just signing on and you're newbies, say hello and I welcome you. And if you have questions, like I said, put them in the comments or send me a direct message, guys. I will get back to you. But we're just going to come on here, have a little fun. And I'm kind of excited about my tier tray. I think it's going to be really cute once we get it all completed. So that's what we'll be working on this week. I like to keep my videos kind of short, so I'm just going to come on and just do like one or two at a time to keep it going. But I'm going to put just little polka dots all around and see how it looks for our project. So if you know me, I'm Mandy Ross with Wynn's Foxy Nest, and I'm an independent chalk designer. And guys, I like to come on here and inspire you guys to have the foxiest nest. And I always just kind of had my projects in my head, and then I come on and do them live. So, you know, if I fail, I fail. We all learn. If it comes out looking good, then you know, then we all get to learn. So I'm just going to do this all the way around, and then we'll work on the front of it. So I'm going to let that dry. And so how are you guys Monday going? It was Monday today, wasn't it? So that right there. Mine was actually okay. It was pretty chill, nothing too exciting, which was kind of nice. I had a nice relaxing weekend, and I'm ready for us to see what this week brings us, right? We're all ready for it to be summer and relaxing. Get this. There we go. Okay, I'm going to take this and I'm going to dry it, and then we'll continue on. So do you guys have plans for your 4th of July? Do you guys have parties, or you go out of town, you go camping or something? Oh, it's still pretty wet. Keep going. It usually dries pretty fast. It's our paste, and so it dries pretty fast, but that was still pretty wet. But, you know, if you have your little guests come over, what do you guys need? What do you guys like to eat on your 4th of July? I don't normally have hot dogs, but for some reason, hot dogs and 4th of July go together for me. And then I like watermelon. So if I have those for the 4th of July weekend, I'm usually pretty happy. I'm usually pretty content. Which is odd, because I honestly do not eat hot dogs, except on 4th of July weekend. It's the American thing, right? What's the American thing for you guys to eat? And then we're going to do the Eat More Tacos. We're going to do it like blue and red. So it has a little bit, a different take on the front of it here. Get this. But can you guys see that? Let's turn it cute. And we have all these different patterns, guys, and I'm loving the patterns, okay, because it adds so much unique personality to your project. That's probably it's probably becoming my favorite. So anything that has a pattern with it, it's probably something I'm going to pick up to have fun with, just to kind of see how different I can make my project. Put that on there. But we're going to do on the front of it, we're going to put the Eat More cake, and I'm going to make it red and blue, so it gets a little bit of it together. So let me put this to the side, and guys, I'll just take this to my sink and I'll wash it because I can reuse it up to a dozen times at least. And then once it's dry, I'll put it on the sticky side up and let it dry, and then I'll put it back on the backer sheet with the sticky side and the shiny side together, and let it be able to use it for my next project. So wouldn't this be cute? You know, I don't know how many of you guys are actually into like making, really decorating for the holidays or for birthdays. This would be so cute to be able to match up with your decoration decor, because you know, we have like 30 different colors of paste, so it would be really easy to match it up with the different decor for the holidays. We have like even the shimmer gold and the shimmer silver and copper, so you could make it for like a, you know, like the 50th birthdays or whatever, the big birthdays. I'm gonna put this down a little bit because I'm gonna put a bow on top, just to kind of give it a little more personality. But of course you can just make the sign. If you're not a bow person, you guys make it however you want, and that's what I like about it. You kind of get to do your own little decor. So I'm gonna use the red, since we used blue kind of all the way around. And guys, when I painted this, I just painted all of blue, and then I went back over and I painted it white. I think it's almost kind of a light gray. And then what I did was kind of wipe off some of the white to make it look like a white, kind of a whitewash. But I kind of wanted to have that old, you know, that old rustic style for the 4th of July, to give it an old look, basically. So let me put that there, and I'm gonna bring this up just because you just don't want your paste to dry, because if there's silkscreen transfers and if they dry, then you run the risk of that paste coming up with the transfer itself and kind of messing up your design here. So let me get this, and then I'm gonna do a little like a marbled effect on the more, just to kind of give it something different. I think I got a little bit there. Okay, so let me put this here, and I'll take it to the sink. Actually, let me put it up here. Again, I'll just take it to my sink and wash it up, guys, and be able to use it again. Like, you can use it up to a dozen times, so you can use it, you know, for different birthdays, for different holidays, Taco Tuesday. Make a sign where you could do, you know, you could just flip it. So one's taco and one's cake day. You could just have fun with it. Okay, so I'm just gonna I just put some red out. Now I'm just gonna put some blue out, and I'll just go over it with I think I'm gonna need a little bit more red. Kind of give it like a tie-dye marbled effect, basically. Okay, making sure I didn't get any blue on there before I stick it back in my red. Oh, it's gonna be pretty. Okay, so you could keep it cleaner and just do it all in one color. You can, you know, do each word in a color. You can do it all marble, Like, this is totally a unique, your project. So I'm gonna take this up and do it like that. Oh, it looks cute. Okay, so let me show you. Let me get my hands clean. Have too much fun with it. I get it all over my hands. My hands are really, really painted up earlier when I painted the deal. Okay, let me show you. Little side there, and then eat more tacos with the different little marbled effect there. So let me dry this, and then we'll put on our ribbon, and then we'll be done for today. So. Okay. So I just have kind of some coordinating ribbon that I think kind of reminds me of the 4th of July. So we're gonna put this here. And do you guys have you guys been looking at our catalog and have any special requests for different projects, or different colors that you want to see, or are you guys more farmhouse or boho? Guys, let me know, because I would be more than happy to do a special request project for you guys. Let's see. I think that'll be okay. And I'm just gonna tie this all right here. So it's a pretty simple and easy bow, which is what we like, right? Keep life simple. So let me kind of tie this again and see if I can get it going the right way. There, okay. Now just kind of mess with this until you kind of get it the way you want it. But yeah, project today, simple, cute, but our tier tray is gonna be awesome, guys. So all this week we're gonna be making something a little different. Each day, a little new sign to go on our tier tray, and then I'm going to show you guys how to actually decorate it. So, and kind of how I did my thought process on it. So, I just kind of bringing this up a little bit more because it's kind of covering my E. So, let's get that. There you go. Simple, easy peasy, right? That is super, super simple. So guys, again, I worked on, I don't know if you've seen the post, but this weekend I actually worked on the video for my club members. So I wanted to show you that real quick because I thought it turned out really cute. But if you're a club member, you get an exclusive project video from me that just my club members get. And let me make sure this doesn't. This was the end product of the project. So using 2 different surfaces that you get with your starter kit, and then I haven't got it completely on there yet, but that's kind of the design. So I'm getting that ready for you guys, and you should see the email this week so you guys can create your own. And of course, it's just an idea, so you can kind of put your own little spin on it to create what you guys like. And then I guess that's it. So guys, if you're interested in the products that I use today, I'll have a link to my shop up in the comment or up in the post. And guys, everything is shipped directly to your door. You just order online, just like you would, kind of like on Amazon, and it just gets magically shipped to your door. It's so nice. You don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to mess with anybody. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this project, and I hope that you'll stay with me all week to see the next couple of projects and then our tier tray decorating tips. So have a wonderful evening and happy chalking. And thanks for joining, guys, and thanks for sprinkling. That really helps my business. I appreciate you guys. Bye.